how the product when applied sa skin. Ayan, kita nyo guys. Perfect, ang ganda sa skin. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So ayan, today may panibago na naman tayong vlog. Another review ng skincare product at ito nga ay tinted sunscreen ni Fresh Skin Lab. Alam niyo naman dito sa ating channel guys, I always share yung honest review. Tinetest ko muna, tinatry ko muna yung product sa aking skin para mabigyan ko ng honest review how the product performs sa aking skin. And by the way guys, konting disclaimer lang, disclaimer lang, this product is not sponsored at yung aking skin type ay combination skin type and sometimes nagno-normal yung aking skin, okay? And itong product na ito ay pwede nyo mabili sa Shopee, sa Lazada, sa TikTok, sa Watson, and sa mga supermarket, sa mga drugstore ay pwede nyo mabili itong sunscreen na ito. And so, ito yung product na bibigyan ko ng review sa inyo today. And this is the product from, as I have said, product ni Fresh Skin Lab. And ito yung product na yon. And ito yung bagong bili namin just the other day. Nung other day lang, so binili namin kasi paubos na nga yung aming ginagamit na tinted sunscreen. So, ito ay si Fresh Skin Lab 2-in-1 Collagen Mattifying Tinted Sunscreen plus hyaluronic acid, and ang daming nakalagay sa harapan. But anyway, this is the product, guys. And ito yung kanyang pinaka product sa loob. So, that is the product. Yeah. Itong sunscreen na ito, guys, ay tinted sunscreen, meaning to say, meron siyang tint, ibig sabihin, from your skin tone, magkakaroon kayo ng one shade lighter sa inyong skin tone. Pero this one, it has a tone adapt technology, meaning to say yung tone adapt technology, kung anong skin tone meron ka, like deep skin tone, light skin tone, mag-a-adapt itong product na ito sa iyong skin. Once applied sa skin, it is very mattifying once applied sa skin. It has hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is good for skin moisturization, nakaka-moisturize siya ng skin, nakaka-retain siya ng moisture ng skin. So I have nothing on my face kasi itatry ko siya later on because I want you to see how the product will perform sa skin. This one is SPF 7 PPA+++++, so 4 na plus. That means this product ay merong high protection para sa UVA at UVB. This is broad spectrum, meaning to say napoprotektahan nito yung ating skin from UVA at UVB. Tapos pa guys, yung paggamit ng sunscreen is very important because it will protect our skin from hyperpigmentation, yung skin cancer, and mabilis na pagtanda ng ating skin. Kasi if we are not using sunscreen, mabilis tumanda yung ating skin because yung collagen production natin naapektuhan ng UVA at UVB. So that is why it is very important to use sunscreen every day. And kahit umulan umaraw, palagi tayong gumagamit ng sunscreen. Okay? 349 pesos yung presyo nito. Tapos sa 349 you'll get 40 ml of the product. So, kuha lang tayo ng right amount ng sunscreen sa ating finger. Tapos i-apply natin. The first time I tried the product, I don't like the sunscreen kasi nga two fingers method, guys. So, I don't like the sunscreen nung first nagamit ko sa kanya. So, that's how the product when applied sa skin. Ayan, kita nyo guys. Perfect, ang ganda sa skin. So, nung first time kong ginamit itong sunscreen na ito, medyo overwhelming talaga siya. Ayan, para siyang overwhelming siya sa screen kapag nakita nyo. Overwhelming siya, pero once na mag-tone adapt siya, nabibigay niya yung fresh, yung glow ng skin. Medyo may glow siyang binibigay pero hindi siya malagkit sa skin once applied kasi nga it has a mattifying effect. Nung paggamit ko sa kanya, wala akong negative na experience, walang redness, walang irritation, hindi ako nagka-breakouts, hindi ako nagka-pimples, and wala akong negative at all na na-experience sa kanya. When it comes lang dun sa oil test ko sa kanya, parang after 6 hours or 5 hours, nakakita na ako ng konting oil lang sa skin. Pero using the product for 5 hours to 6 hours na with oil test, honestly, the product is not that bad. As a person na mayroong combination skin type, I like the product kasi nga in 5 hours to 6 hours, konti lang yung oil na na-produce sa aking skin. So, I like the product. So, talagang binigyan ko ng time yung product na ma-test kasi nga, how will I give my honest review kung hindi ko siya talaga fully na-test? So, that is the product. Tingnan nyo guys, hindi siya OA sa skin. Like, this is my natural skin, this is the product. And meron siyang glowy effect, nakaka-fresh siyang tignan. The product is very easy to blend. So, hindi siya yung nagpipicture dun sa mga pores. Di ba may mga tinted sunscreen na when you apply on your skin, medyo nagsisiksikan siya dun sa mga pores, na mga open pores. But with this one, hindi siya ganun, hindi siya pangit tignan. Very smooth lang siyang i-apply. Tapos, Once applied naman, hindi siya malagkit. It is very mattifying. Ayun guys, and kumuha lang ako ng powder and I am using the all day no sebum blur powder ni Dr. Sensitive. So I'll just stop it there para lang maset yung product. So if you don't want to use ng powder, then that's totally fine. Pero ako, I prefer lang to use ng sunscreen and then the powder para really fresh tignan. So that is a product when applied sa skin. It has a tone adapt technology. And honestly, with this one, if you're going to ask me if I can recommend the product, you can recommend the product. You can test the product. Again, may mga product that might work for me, that may not work on your skin and vice versa. And again, this product is not sponsored. All the things that been shared sa product ay based on my experience upon trying, upon testing the product, upon using it sa aking skin, using it for 3 weeks. So honestly, with the sunscreen, with the test, oil test, and acne test, wala naman akong na-experience. Oil test, yun nga, medyo 5 hours to 6 hours, may konting oil, but hindi siya bothering naman kapag lumabas na yung oil in 5 hours or 6 hours. Okay? So, that's my honest review and I hope you like this video. And if you're going to ask me if I can recommend the product, yes, I can recommend the product. You can try, you can explore. But again, yung aking experience can be different from your experience and vice versa. Okay? So that's all guys, and that is the tinted sunscreen when applied sa skin. Although my skin is not perfect, although my skin is not perfect, pero I want to share with you kung ano yung how the product perform, gano'n siya kabilis, gano'n siya kadaling i-apply sa skin, and gano'n siya kaganda. It has a blurring, mattifying, and may glow pero hindi siya malagkit sa skin. Okay? So that's all, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like this. And if you like this video, please guys, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up in the process. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There is a red for subscribe. And of course, guys, please don't forget to click the notification bell para once I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so that's all. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Yay!